Hello, my name is Artem Shushnev. I am a third year student at the Russian Presidential Academy of National Economy and Public Administration in IRL. I study economics and management. I would like to take part in the summer campus in Kazan as I am interested in the topic of the campus. As a student of the academy, I would like to enlarge my knowledge in economy and management and learn about new tendencies in the world of business and trade. I'm sure it will be useful for me to communicate with the outstanding businessmen and experts in various spheres, such as political science, sociology, and others. So, no doubt, the campus will give me an opportunity to become more experienced in communicating with my contemporaries. I'm looking forward to the beginning of such project as a summer campus of the Presidential Academy 2040. Thank you.